What's going on?
Step out.
What's going on?
Step out. Step out. I said step out.
Hey, whoa, what's going on? What is going on?
So I got the ball.
What the is going on? Oh my goodness.
On the 12th of January 2025, police officers arrived to check a residence in a suburban neighborhood as part of an investigation involving a man named Zachary. Upon arrival, the officers found a 5-year-old girl at home without adult supervision. According to initial information, the child's mother was not present in the area and the father was reportedly away for a short period of time.
There is right there. Hello. I don't know if girlfriend does.
Hello.
Hi. Is mommy or daddy home?
No.
You're here by yourself? Where did mommy go?
My mom not here.
What's going on?
Hello.
Hi guys. Are you okay?
Are you here for her?
I live here.
Okay. Do you know where her mom is? Do you know who's supposed to be staying here with her?
Yeah, he just ran down the street. Our landlord is her great grandma and his grandma. He went to go pick up a little fireplace for me because my heater's broken.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. So she lives on Dewey Street. It's all of the landlords. She also has some places on Kirkland. But yeah, I'm pretty long right now and was just walking back and forth.
Yeah, no worries.
You're good.
Is it?
No, everything's fine. We'll wait for him to get here.
Get your shoes too.
Go move the car. Hey, it's gonna go move. It's gonna go move. It's gonna go move.
Yeah. If you want to go hide here somewhere, I'll go drive around.
Here.
Where's Dewey?
Yeah.
Couple streets up.
Yeah. We just don't want to leave her here, obviously, by herself.
Yeah, no, he told me that she's going and she was like, playing on her phone, but we hang out all the time.
The police spoke with the woman to better understand the situation and to make sure the child was safe and properly cared for.
Hank, stop! Come here! Stop! I got him.
What's going on?
Step out.
What's going on?
Step out. Step out. I said step out.
Hey, whoa, what's going on? What is going on?
So I got the ball.
What the is going on? Oh my goodness.
Okay. Just hang out.
Whoa.
How come you wanted to drive past your house?
I didn't drive past my house. I just came from my grandma's from picking up a heater for one of the tenants. When did I drive past my house? For what?
9 Alpha, 16 to Central. Can you let know we have him?
I just went to jail yesterday for that.
Yep, and they got new charges.
What?
Hang out. Come back here.
Now. And I was turning around so I could park in front of my trailer.
Go ahead.
Can I let my niece know? Because she was watching my daughter.
Yeah, we'll go talk to her.
Okay.
I don't know where they went. No, I don't know where they went. They went up behind the building.
You probably do laundry. So what's these charges? Can you let me know, please?
I would assume shoplifting again.
Okay.
So I don't know the details. So turn around. You can go get the car now.
When he came back and noticed the police in the area, he seemed hesitant to stop at his home. Officers promptly approached and took control of the situation, ensuring everything was handled calmly and safely.
I wasn't trying to run. I was trying to turn around to park right there. I faced that way when I parked in front of the trailer. And
Just a little weird. I'm not gonna lie.
I understand it looks weird, but I literally pull in here and I pull around. I just got out of jail yesterday. I just went to jail for this yesterday.
Nope, a whole different situation.
That's crazy. And it's crazy. I have a receipt for it. Whatever. So you don't know what the charges are?
Some kind of theft.
A grand theft again?
Yes.
Really?
Yep.
So I need to...
I don't know anything more. The officer is going to come and talk to you. I don't know. So.
What do you mean? She was watching her. What do you mean? My niece was just with her.
No, she wasn't. She was by herself.
Okay, she was just with her, though. My niece was just with her. No, I did not, dude. My niece was just with her. I would never leave my daughter alone. This is crazy. You guys are totally harassing me. You guys are. This is like out of control. Out of control. Adding charges to me when my niece was just watching her.
Go up to that car.
No, sir, I did not. Watching her
Stop yelling.
Adding charges.
Stop yelling.
Come grab my money.
Do not yell.
Supposedly they got more charges on me, and they saying you weren't watching. To grab the heater for Sarah.
We'll talk to you in just a moment.
Take all my keys and everything. Here, come here.
No. We'll bring it to you in just a moment, alright?
I got a money clip in my pocket.
Yeah, you're good. Just make sure you don't get hit. Just pay attention.
I think my side one right here. Like, I don't understand this at all, bro. I don't.
Nothing else on you?
Yeah, call Gigi. No, I ain't got nothing else on me. What would I have on me, bro?
I don't know. I'm just asking.
You guys act like I'm a addict or something. I don't do anything. I own a business. You guys are out here. Dude, record all this, Jesse. Record this. Yeah, record it. Jesse, record this. Absolutely. No, record this. Record it, bro. Saying they're gonna put.
You can put him in the back of the car. You want all of this to go to her?
Besides my ID and my phone.
Phone and just ID go with her.
No, my phone and ID, and then give her the rest.
Got it. Okay. ID's in here?
My wallet right there.
The officers conducted a standard safety check before escorting him to the patrol car, ensuring that all procedures were followed properly and respectfully.
If we haven't already, can we make this unaware?
This is wild, dude. You guys, like, you understand this?
Not us, it's Daytona.
Okay, I understand, but you guys are totally harassing me.
We're not harassing you.
You guys are.
No, we're not.
You guys are. You guys...
We're towing the vehicle, alright?
Are you serious right now? Are you serious?
It's partially on the roadway, we cannot leave it.
She can't move it, she has my keys.
Nope.
You guys are gonna be petty like that.
Sorry. We have
It's alright. Go ahead.
Okay. Is gonna come pick you up.
If we haven't already, can we make
For what? My niece was watching her because she wasn't in the house and not in a whole different unit. They went out back. What were you putting laundry in?
Nope. Stop yelling. You're completely by herself with the door deadbolted. Clearly did not walk over to get something.
Okay. You guys can say whatever you want. I don't care.
Okay.
Can you not choke me?
I want to grab it.
Okay, well you were choking me.
Well, I'm sorry.
And you guys are illegally searching my truck.
We have to inventory anything that we tow.
Oh, okay. Because you guys are towing it because she has the keys and can't move it. Like, you guys are being petty.
He wants you to keep all of that. We are going to be towing the vehicle. Grandma's on the way to get the girl.
She already has her.
Okay. Did she already leave?
Sarah took her to my Gigi's. Sarah's one of my friends and a tenant, and
So is the little girl here?
The little girl is with my great-grandmother that owns this apartment complex.
Where are they at?
They are at her house.
What's her address?
Her address is due east.
Apparently, they just let the little girl even without the father's acknowledgement of anything.
Who is she related to?
No,
How are you related to him?
I am his niece.
You're his niece.
Yes,
Okay.
and I don't know what the he does.
You have the keys to
Don't
the
want
truck?
anything to do with it. What?
You have the keys to the truck?
There's a bunch of keys in there.
Did you go through the wall and everything?
No, he wanted everything to be provided to her right away. So
Are you allowed?
we're towing the vehicle.
So you need the keys?
We're towing the vehicle. So the
I'm
reason,
just gonna take the truck key, not all the other ones. I
Yeah.
can figure out which
I don't
one's
know
just the
the-
truck key. I'll
So
give you all the other
the
ones.
reason why
Yeah, these are the ones.
the reason why we take the key is so that they don't have to drag it and like ruin the tires.
Okay.
It's just provided to
I'm guessing I'm
the
gonna
tow
try this.
truck.
Like I said, I'm just gonna take the truck key. Now
Oh wait, I think I know which one is the truck key. Actually,
Which
this one.
That one?
I believe so. It
Is
may
that
not
what
be.
you're
Wait, hold on. It also might be one of these ones. They all kind of look the same.
Yeah, no worries. Are you guys blood related or just really close
My
family?
mom. No. I've never really been close with her. My mom is his sister. My mom had me whenever she was 18.
Gotcha.
And me and my mom are not really close.
Not friendly. Got it.
Yeah. But I do live in the same apartment. I was generous because he was living with my grandparents to let him move into my apartment for 3 months.
Got
And then
it.
he moved into the next door one. So
Okay.
usually I was with him today. And like, I feel bad.
Does he leave her there a lot?
No,
That
because
would be
usually
nice.
he does just let me know. So I truly do believe that he was just going around the block really quick, but he still should have let me know, of course. I agree with that. But no, usually he never leaves her, and I usually have her not most of the time, but I don't, I work at 5 o'clock. So I work at nighttime. So
Got it.
usually he has her, and
Yeah.
so I usually do take care of her. So I truly do believe he just was going around the block.
It's okay.
But I don't,
Yeah.
again, I don't know really, I don't
Um,
should do it.
I'm sorry.
I said I don't really have much
Yeah.
to do with it. Like yeah.
No, you're not in trouble at all.
No,
so.
I'm
Yeah.
not. I don't know. I don't like the fact that I live this close to him and this is all going on. Like, I have work at 3 o'clock and now I have to
You're gonna
sit
make it. You're gonna make it.
It's just really
Where do you work?
frustrating. Limoncello. There they are.
That's grandma.
That's grandma and grandpa, I believe.
And they live on duty.
Oh, no, Gigi. That's Gigi and my grandma.
Who's Gigi?
Gigi is the person that owns my apartment complex.
The officers spoke with a young woman at the scene to gather more information and clarify the circumstances surrounding the situation.
Welcome. Also talk to her.
Come here. I'm looking for a heater.
A heater?
That is mine in the car.
Uh,
Oh, it's a big box. You couldn't
Yeah.
open it.
um,
Where's his truck?
his truck is being towed.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'd like the heater out of it.
Um,
It's for another tenant who has no heater.
yeah.
It's coming.
Sorry.
Watch. Oh, nope.
Who's that?
Huh?
Who's that?
My daughter, another daughter.
Are you
I'm the owner and the grandmother.
his grandmother?
I am.
Okay. So he is being arrested. Beach is gonna come get him for another theft.
Sarah was over in number 6, and Sarah was watching her. That's how she
Sarah-
knew you were talking to
Who is
Autumn.
Sarah?
She's the tenant in number 6. She's the one that brought her to my house.
Yeah, that's
I
not
asked
really.
her what you were talking about, and she remembers nothing.
Who remembers nothing? I assume that you would lawyer up. Do you want to talk to me about your kid or no? If so, I can read you. We can talk about it.
No, I ain't got nothing to say.
No? Okay.
No. Got nothing to say. You guys are dead ass wrong for what you guys are doing. That's all I gotta say. There ain't nothing else left to say.
Okay.
We're gonna walk towards the back of the van.
I got a stress tattoo on my right arm from my shoulder down to my elbow.
Zachary was taken to the authorities for further clarification of the situation. The little girl is now safe and being cared for by her family. This serves as a reminder for all of us about the importance of ensuring that children are always properly supervised and cared for. What do you think we can do better to help protect the safety of children in our communities?